I just started chapter 6 on the 3 reads routine, and this problem with golden apples, enchanted orchards, and trolls is very Dungeons and Dragons. When a student says, "I don't get it," many teachers we know respond with, "What don't you get?" If the student can't tell them, they proceed to explain the problem over again, laying out the steps to solve it. Who does that? It's no fun. So with Roberto's method, I think something they've pointed out several times in this book so far is that essentially guess and check can lead to more structural forms of reasoning. I like the progression and the focus of the 3 reads. Makes a lot of sense. So steps 1 through 3, this seems like a pretty quick, fast-paced routine so far compared to some of the other ones that we've done. And I think step 4 could really, the length of it would be determined by, how difficult the problem is to solve. I'm going to try and use these 3 steps: understand the context, interpret the question, and identify important information when I'm filing my taxes this year. See if it helps. I like to focus on language and reading comprehension in this routine. And since the word problems are intentionally a little dense, context-wise, I'm excited to see what kinds of problems you all come up with for us to do in class. I'm liking all these tips to guide and support English language learners. On page 139 it says, "We point back to our guiding principle of putting students in a language-rich environment and our belief that it's important to take every opportunity to help English language learners develop language." Nice. I just read about the students with IEPs. What does it mean exactly that Tia is a concrete learner? Mr. Stefan crushed that routine. If you're doing a new problem, a new routine, and you haven't done the math yourself, you're already behind. It's hard enough, as I've learned, to predict all the different strategies you're going to see when you launch something in the classroom.